Reclaiming the Promise is about ensuring teachers and staff are well prepared, are supported, have manageable class sizes, and time to collaborate.
So when districts actually give teachers time to put their heads together and collaborate, it allows them to share best practices. It allows them to share common data so they can make decisions about how to move students ahead. And it allows them to just learn from each other.
With over half of all teachers quitting within the first 5 years, the Ohio Federation of Teachers worked with the state to address the problem. As a result, new teachers in Oregon have the support of a full-time mentor in their first 3 years.
Many teachers right now are asking me to look over their instructional plans to make sure that there's the balance of different instructional strategies, that they're incorporating different assessment techniques, and that they have a good pace and a good flow.
The Resident Educator program definitely has given me a solid foundation for the rest of my teaching career. Those first couple months are just absolutely stressful and very overwhelming, and being able to have my resident mentor to just rely on and to get me through tough times really allowed me to get to the next day, the next week, the next month, and now here I am in my 3rd year.
In 1984, the Toledo Federation of Teachers created the groundbreaking Peer Assistance and Review Program to evaluate teachers.
I recommend you use percentages.
Mentors coach new teachers and present their classroom observations to a board which makes the final decision about retaining teachers.
Tina has changed her seating arrangement, and that has allowed her an efficient classroom routine, but also...
My intern consultant is definitely there to help, but I know that she is reviewing me as a teacher so that my district feels confident in continuing my contract.
When I came into the classroom, I saw no follow-through.
The program has led to more than 3 times the number of dismissals, compared with evaluations done by principals. Yet teachers find it fair and transparent, since they have supports and are evaluated by experienced peers, not by a complicated formula.
You have plenty of time to show them that you can do the job, and as long as you've proven yourself, then they won't have a problem proving that to the board.
You can't have accountability without having supports, and that's what the union is fighting for right now, making sure that we have the support systems in place to help us reach those accountability measures that are so critical.
In Cleveland, the union utilized the expertise of teachers who are early adopters of Common Core state standards to provide the district with truly effective lessons.
These are actual classroom teachers who aren't unit developers. They're not lesson plan writers, they're not curriculum developers, but they saw how kids reacted to the lessons they were teaching. If it was a standard that maybe the lesson didn't work, how did you tweak it? How did you make that standard really come alive in the classroom for those kids?
We start with the idea, and if we can get support and the union can support them, then the teachers can run with those ideas. They're the professionals.
Now these lessons are available to teachers nationwide through AFT's Share My Lesson website. With almost 300,000 resources, this union-led effort is building a nationwide network of educators.
I went on and went into the art section. It was really cool because something that was in there, I could tie it right in with something I was doing with my 8th graders.
Does anybody have freckles in here?
So we were working on portraits, and there was a really nice lesson there. That part of being in the union is really special to me. All about how do we help teachers become better teachers.